Installing Windows 11 doesn't have to be a headache, as long as you know how to properly prepare a USB drive. And it doesn't matter if you built a complete PC for yourself, or if you bought a new laptop and saved some money and choose one without an operating system, or if you just want to clean up your old system. I've got you covered. What you need is a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. And please make it USB 3. It works with USB 2, but it's slow. And you need an internet connection. Head over to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Look for Create Windows 11 Installation Media and hit Download Now. Run the exe file, accept the terms, select Create Installation Media for another PC. Stick with the recommended option and select your USB drive. The tool will now download Windows 11 and make your drive bootable automatically. Now for the technical part. Take your finished USB drive, plug it into the system you want Windows to be installed, and restart it. Press the boot menu key, which is depending on your manufacturer of your mainboard or your notebook, usually F12, F10 or F8. If you don't land in any boot menu, try again with F2 or delete and try to get into the boot menu order in your BIOS. There you change it that your USB drive is on first. And then save, exit, and restart again, and now you should see your installation media assistant. Select your language and keyboard layout, click Install Now. When the question comes for the activation key, if you had Windows already on this PC, just click I don't have a product key. Windows will reactivate automatically via your hardware ID once we're online. And when you reach the partitions, you will see your drives here. And for a truly clean install, delete all existing partitions on your drive 0 until you see unallocated space. Select that space and click Next. Windows will take over and restart the machine. If you don't see any of your drives, then you need to head over to the website of the manufacturer for your notebook or your motherboard. Look for the storage drivers. They often have names like Intel Rapid Storage or RST. Download them and save them on a USB drive. You can then update the drivers during the installation process in the partition screen. Your computer should now recognize your drive. And that's it. Windows 11 is installed. Don't forget to do some Windows updates and grab the latest drivers, and then you're good to go. Enjoy your fresh system.